Transferring XRP from one platform to another is a straightforward process. To begin, open the Kucoin app and navigate to the Assets option, typically found at the bottom of the screen. From there, select the account where your XRP is currently held, such as a funding or trading account. Next, click on the withdrawal option and choose XRP from the list of available cryptocurrencies, or use the search bar to locate it. Once you have selected XRP, you will need to provide the wallet address where you want to transfer the funds. To obtain this address, open the Robinhood app, click on the crypto option at the bottom of the screen, and use the search icon to find XRP. After selecting XRP, scroll down and click on the As You Command like button, which will display your wallet address. Click the Copy Address button. Then return to the Kucoin app and paste the address in the designated area. Finally, enter the amount you wish to transfer and click the Withdrawal button. Following these steps will initiate the transfer of XRP from Kucoin to Robinhood, and your transaction should be completed quickly and efficiently.